Okay, sir. On 1st April 2020, the following were ledger balance of Miss Ram and Co. Delhi.
Actually,
Cash,
it is Mrs. Ram.
oh, Mrs. Ram and Co. Delhi. Cash in hand, rupees 300. Cash at bank, rupees 7,000. Bills payable, rupees 1,000. Zahir, debtor. Sahir debit, rupees 800. Stock, rupees 4,000. Gobind,
Govind.
Okay. Gobind, rupees 2,000. And Sharma, rupees
Sharma.
1,000.
Yes.
And 1,500. Rahul, rupees 900. Capital, rupees 9,700. Transaction during the month of April 2020.
Okay. Leave the transaction actually. Just tell me what will be the accounting treatment of these balances given in the starting.
Accounting equation.
Yes.
Brought goods from Pvt Ltd. I just have to say,
yes, leave the transaction. You just tell me that what will be the accounting treatment in ledger for these items.
Okay, sir. For these items. I don't get the question. You want me to write a ledger of this?
Yes.
Okay.
For all of this, actually.
Okay.
Only this part. Okay. What will be the accounting treatment in ledger?
What will be the accounting?
You can say treatment.
Wait. No, sir. No, sir. 1 minute, sir. I am actually getting it. 1 minute, sir. I just don't understand what you're trying to say.
Okay.
Are you asking me the boxes like cash account, bank account, the different boxes?
Okay. Let me ask you again. Actually, we have to write these items that is given in the beginning. Okay. Cash in hand, cash at bank, bills payable, Jahir, debit, stock, Govind, Sharma, Rahul, capital. These accounts. Okay. Tell me where these accounts will be shown in ledger.
Where these accounts will be shown in ledger. Yes. On the credit side or on the debit side?
In which account and how these will be shown?
Okay, sir. Okay, so can I start from the first one?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, sir. Mrs. Rao. No, I will start from the cash at bank side. In cash account, debit side 7,000, and on bank account, credit side 7,000. Cash account, debit side, and bank account, credit side. You know what? You're asking me very tough questions there. Let me.
Okay. Should I solve it to you so that you will understand this portion?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's what I'm asking. If you are able to understand the concept, then these type of question actually, I have to solve these type of question, but I forgot in last class. So I'm telling you right now that how to solve these type of questions. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, there is one more question you have in previous class about your examination, the test paper.
These kind of questions will be in my test paper, sir.
You were asking a question from the test. Yes.
Yes, sir. The GST question. Yes, sir. The GST question.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Can you not show me my question paper, sir? It is very ugly.
Okay. Okay. Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So test paper. Let's take a look at the test paper.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Tell me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I actually don't understand the question, sir.
Actually, you have to pass the journal entry for these transactions.
Yes, sir. I only did the first three, sir. I did not
First three?
understand. Yes, sir.
What about the April 15 transaction?
That I did not write.
Sold goods to Param for 15,000 plus CGST and SGST 9% each.
Yes, sir.
So you don't understand this portion?
It's not that I don't understand the question. I don't understand the math.
Math?
Yes, sir. The calculating.
Okay, the calculation part, 15,000 into 9%.
No, sir. Where to put that?
Then what is the problem? Okay, let me read the question and explain the concept. Okay, first is purchased goods in cash for 5,000 plus CGST and SGST at the rate 9%. Means you are purchasing goods for cash. Okay, so a simple entry is purchase account debit to cash. Yes.
Yes, sir.
But if we combine it with GST, then entry will change. It is purchase account debit, input CGST account debit, input SGST account debit to cash. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And the amount in purchase account will be 5,000. In CGST input account, it is 4,500. And in SGST input, it is 4,500. And the total amount, that is 50,000, 4,500, and 4,500 will be added and written in front of cash.
Okay, sir.
So the cash amount will be 59,000. Yes. Done?
So we will write the CGST and SGST in credit debit side.
Actually, in purchase, whatever the transaction is, if you are purchasing goods, then GST is along with purchase. And if you're selling goods, it is along with sale. So in case of purchase, GST is written on the debit side. In case of sale, it is written on the credit side.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So the second transaction is sold goods for cash. Now we are selling goods, so cash account debit, sales to sales account to sales account, to CGST output, to SGST output. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So 8,000 for sale, 7,200 for CGST output, 7,200 for SGST output, and the total, that is 94,000. Sorry, 720. 8,000, 720, 720. It is 9,440 in cash.
Yes, sir.
Should I write the entry?
Yes, sir. Please.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. First of all, I have to prepare a format. Okay, so this is our format. Date, particular, LF, amount. So what is the first entry? April 3. It is purchase goods for in cash for 5,000. Okay. So the entry will be purchase account debit. Input SGST account debit. Input CGST account debit to cash account. Purchase is 5,000. 9% GST will be 450, and the total is 5,900 on the credit side. Okay.
Okay.
Now, the second transaction is on April 5th. It is also for cash sale. So cash account debit to sales account to CGST output account to SGST output account. Now, amount of sale is 8,000 in the quotient, and 9% CGST is 720, and 720 total is 9,440. Done?
Yes, sir.
The third is purchase goods from Karam for 10,000 plus CGST and SGST. Now we are purchasing goods on credit because it is not written cash. So purchase account debit input SGST account debit and input CGST account debit to Karam account. Okay. So 10,000, 9% CGST, 9% SGST, total is 11,800. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, April 15, it is sold goods to Param for 15,000. So now we are selling goods. Param account debit, it is on credit. That's why we have written the name of Param. Param account debit to sales account to CGST output account and to SGST output account. Sale amount is 15,000 and 9% GST is 1315, 1,350. So it is 16,700. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any doubt up to this entry?
No, sir. Not now.
Okay, so April 20th, goods returned by Param of 5,000 being defective. Now, Param to whom we have sold goods of rupees 15,000 has returned some goods. So it is on April 20th. He returned some goods. So sales return account debit. Sales return account debit, and with return we have to cancel the output GST also, because why we will pay any tax amount on the sale which is returned by the customer. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So output CGST that is written on the credit side here with sales will be written with sales return on the debit side. To bottom up. So he has returned goods of 5,000. So 5,450 and 450 GST. So 5,900 here. And the last transaction is April 20th 5. It is return goods purchased from Karam. Now we are returning goods to Karam. So the entry was purchase account debit, input SGST, input CGST to Karam. But this entry will be just opposite now. So Karam account will be debited because we are returning goods to Karam. So Karam account debit to purchase return to input CGST and to input SGST. Okay.
Okay, sir.
4,000 is purchase return amount. 360 is GST. 4,720. Tell me, do you have any doubt in this question?
When you say it, I can actually understand, but when I do it alone, it's very, very confusing.
Yes. Yes, it is confusing. I know. GST is a little confusing for the students. But what you think here, it is easy for you or not?
It's not easy. I won't say it is easy, sir.
No, right now.
Now it is okay.
Okay, it's okay. You understood the part?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But at home, you forget how to pass the journal entry. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's why I told you 2 or 3 things that you have to remember while passing the journal entry for GST. The first thing, GST is always along with purchase, sale, or any service expenses. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So whatever the side of purchase and sale, okay, you have to write GST on the same side.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And on purchase, it is always input GST because we are paying the amount to the shopkeeper. Yes, not the government.
Yes, sir.
So it is called input GST.
Okay, sir.
And the amount which we have to pay or we will pay to the government directly is called output GST. It is generally along with sales.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so with purchase, it is always input GST. With sale, it is always CGST, output GST, you can say.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so you can see here, in first entry, GST is along with purchase. In second entry, GST will be along with sales. In third entry, again, GST is with purchase. In fourth entry, it is with sales. In sixth entry, it is with sales return. And in seventh entry, it is with purchase return. So on which side purchase and sale is written, we will write GST on the same side. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is your solution of your test question.
Yes.
Now, tell me, is there any doubt in any of these 6 questions?
No, sir.
Okay, have you solved all the question here?
Only the last 3 questions are left.
Only the last 3 questions, that is question number 4, 5, and 6.
Oh, no, sir, no, sir. I completed 5th question and 4th question, sir.
Okay.
Only the 6th question, last 3. I did not.
Transaction.
Yeah, the transaction.
Yes, last 3 transaction of question number 6, you have not done.
Yes.
These 3.
Yes, sir. The rest I have completed.
Okay, then good. I have explained to you the last 3 part, this last 3 transaction. So I think there is no doubt in this test paper.
So can I copy it down? The
Yes,
last.
yes. Actually, you can copy the whole answer if you want.
Okay, sir. Scroll down, sir. Okay. Sir, can you scroll down? Okay. I finished.
Okay. Now the question of the book that I asked before.
Yes, sir.
This one. Okay. Do you know the concept of opening entry? Actually, I told you about opening entry.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So we have to pass journal entry for this first.
Okay. Sir.
So question and solution. Now we have to pass journal entry. So what will be the journal entry? First of all, cash in hand account debit. Cash at bank account debit. Actually, these are assets. Okay. So cash in hand, cash at bank, all the assets have debit balance always. Okay. So cash in hand, cash at bank, there is one more, this Jahir debit 800. So
Are you dividing debit side and credit side?
yes, stock 4,000. Govind credit, Sharma debit. Okay, now we'll write the amount of debit side item, 307,000. After that, 800. Stock 4,000 and 1,500. Now, two, what are the items? Bills payable on the credit side. It is 1,000. After that, Govind 2,000. And then Rahul 900. And last one is capital. So it is 9,700. Done. You can see both are equal. If you add these, you will get 13,600. If you add these, you will get 13,600. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, this entry is not posted into ledger as per normal rule. Okay, normal rule is we write the name of opposite account in the ledger, but in this question, actually the shape you remember of ledger.
Yes, sir. Date.
Okay. So this is our date, particular JF, amount, date, particular JF, and amount. Yes?
Yes, sir.
No. Now let's say we are opening cash account. It is also called cash in hand. Okay. So we are opening cash account. Now, cash account is on the debit side 300. So we will write it as balance to balance BD 300. You are getting my point?
We wrote balance
BD. All of these, cash in hand, cash at bank, Jahir, stock, Sharma, not the stock, Sharma, bills payable, Gobind, Rahul, capital. Okay.
all of them you will write like the balance.
Yes, we have to write all these items in their respective account as balance.
Okay.
Like if we prepare to a bills payable account, you can see bills payable on the credit side, 1000.
Yes, sir.
So let's say if we are preparing bills payable account, bills payable account, then it will be on the credit side by balance BD 1000. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So all these items, capital, Rahul, Gobind. So these items will be written as opening balance of respective account. In Govind account, we will write buy balance BD 2000. In Rahul account, we will write buy balance BD 900. In capital account, we will write buy balance BD 9700. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And on the debit side, it is Jahir, stock, and Sharma. So leave the stock only, and other items will be entered in ledger. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So these are our opening balances. Now there is one more question given here. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Actually, the whole this question in full is your homework. The question number 7 and 8 also. Okay. But yes, question number 7 and 8.
Okay, sir.
Okay. You have to prepare journal entry and ledger. But right now you have to write these balances that is given on April 1st. You can see.
Yes, sir.
Can you read any 2 or 3 items?
Assets premise rupees 12,000 to 2 lakhs.
2 lakh.
2 lakh. Delivery vans rupees 50,000. Fixtures rupees 5,000. Stock rupees 75,000.
Wait. Okay. So these items you have to write in separate account as balance. Okay.
Sir, they wrote assets, means they all are debited.
Yes.
Okay.
So can you prepare ledger format and write the balance of each item?
Yes, sir.
Good.
You want me to do it right now?
Yes, right now.
Okay, sir.
Should I solve the question number 7 first, and you will complete the question number 8 from as of your homework?
I will do it as my homeworks.
Both? Yes. Then write the opening balances of these question number 8.
Okay, sir. Sir, only opening balance, no need to write the ledger.
No need to write all the ledgers. you have to write these opening balance in their respective accounts in ledger. You don't have to prepare full ledger account. You just write these opening balance in their respective account.
Okay, sir. So what is premises?
What is?
The premises.
Actually, it is building. Premises means the place where we operate our business.
Okay, sir. Sir, I finished.
Okay. Tell me.
Can I say the assets one first, sir?
Yes.
Okay, sir. I have only one single doubt, sir. The premises, can I write building account?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Premises account, on the debit side, we will write by balance 12 lakh. Am I right? Sir, I did everything like this.
Where is 12 lakh?
See, sir, premises. No, 2 lakh, 2 lakh, sorry, 2 lakh. My eyesight is very bad. Okay. Delivery account, on the debit side, 50, on the delivery side, on the debit side, by balance 50,000. Fixtures account, on the debit side, by balance rupees 5,000, and stock account. Okay, sir. Okay, sir, you can speak.
Yes. Actually, all the accounts are assets.
Oh.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And I told you that in assets account, you have to write 2 on the debit side and buy on the credit side.
Oh, yes, sir. I had that doubt, sir. I had that. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. I got it, sir. So should I continue, sir?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Okay. Stock account, to balance 70 rupees, 75 rupees. And on the debtors account, to balance. Oh, no, sir. Debtors account. Oh, yes, sir. Debtors account, to balance 30,000. And oh my goodness. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. I did not see this. Okay, sir. Debtors. Oh. Sir, can you read that name?
Yes. Hariharan.
Haryana. Okay, sir.
Hariharan.
Hariharan. Okay, sir. I can't write debtors account and write to balance.
2 balances in one account?
Yes, sir. Debtors. Rajas is also a debtor.
Yes. Actually, if you want to write only debtors account, okay. So in debtors account, you have to write only 1 to balance PD, and you can add these 2 and then you can write. But there is a problem with that. If you have any transaction with Hariharan, okay.
Okay, sir.
That will incur in the quotient. Yes, you can see April 12th transaction, April 12th.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so whenever there is a transaction with Hariharan or Rajans, you have to write it on the debtors account, and you will not be able to find that how much amount is receivable from Hariharan or Rajans.
Okay, sir. So I will write. I won't write it.
So please prepare 2 separate accounts, one for Hariharan and second for Rajans.
Okay, sir. So Hariharan account, to balance 30,000.
To balance BD.
Or to balance PD. CD. BD. Okay.
B for Bangalore, Bombay.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir. Raj.
Okay. Do you understand Hindi?
Yes, sir. I understand Hindi, sir. I watch the cartoons, sir.
Okay. Good. Okay. Continue.
Raja's account on the debit side.
Rajans.
Yes, sir. On the debit side, we should write to balance BD 50,000.
50,000. Yes.
Okay, sir. Okay. And now bank account debit side to balance 45,000, and
not only to balance, you have to write like this: to balance
BD. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. BD. Okay. bank account. On debit side, we will write to balance BD, rupees 45,000 and cash in hand account. Cash in hand account. On the debits account, on the debit side, to balance BD 30,000.
Yes, very good. But
Yes.
there is a one problem now. When we will prepare stock account, okay, then
Okay.
how you will write purchase or sale, or is there any increase in stock account or not?
I will create a purchase account and a sales account.
Yes, you will create a purchase or sale account, and any increase in stock or decrease in stock due to purchase or sale will be written in that account. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what will you do with the stock account? The balance you write in a stock account.
I will
Yes.
whatever is left, I will write it in stock accounts.
That's what I'm asking.
Yes, sir. If the same balance we have for purchase and sales, I will write it in stock accounts.
Okay. So you want to write this stock account in purchase account. Yes. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Actually, you can create a stock account, but there will be no change in the stock because it is opening a stock. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And there will be no change in this stock. And at the end, we will calculate a new balance that is called closing stock by adding opening stock and purchase and deducting the goods sold.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next.
Liabilities. Yes, sir. So liability, it is by balance. Yes.
Yes, in all the liabilities account, we have to write by balance BD.
BD. Okay, sir. Creditors account.
Not
Yes, sir.
creditors account. We cannot open creditors account.
Yes, sir. Not Jawahar. Yes, sir.
Jawahar.
Yes, sir. Jawahar account on the credit side, we will write by balance BD 1 lakh.
Yes.
And on Vikas account, in Vikas account, we will write on the credit side, we will write by balance BD 45 rupees 45,000. Sir.
Yes.
And telephone expenses payable on telephone expenses payable account on the credit side, we will write by balance BD 44,000 and 4,000 rupees 4,000. And on electricity expenses account on the credit side, we will write by balance BD 4,520. Yes, sir. Since salary payable account, we will write on the credit side by balance BD 7,000.
Oh, very good. Now, there is one more thing. What is these expenses payable account? Salary payable, telephone expenses payable, electricity expenses payable. What are these accounts?
They are payable accounts, sir.
They are
Salaries.
liability for us because actually at the end of every month, you can say, or end of every year, there are some expenses which is still not paid, like telephone expenses 4,000 is payable, means the expenses has been incurred but we haven't paid it yet.
Oh, yes.
Okay, so same with electricity expenses, means expenses has incurred but we didn't paid.
Yes.